Welcome to part 2 of the Utme 2017 Economics Question Review. We are going to continue with from number 25 to 50. Question 25 in economics, the how or input question refers to the way in which factor of production can be combined to produce outputs. That's option B. How you can combine the various factors of production, both the fixed and the variable factors, in order to produce outputs. We have the next question. The modal value of 3, 8, 4, 6, 3, 5, 2, 7, 3, and 5 is dash. The modal value is a question, is a number that has the highest frequency, and that's 3. 3 appears 3 times. So our answer is option B. As you can see, we have question 27. One of the major causes of farmers' unstable income in Nigeria is the effect of pests and diseases. Pests and diseases reduce the quality and the yield of the farm produce, which in turn reduces farmers' income. We have, which of the following source of income is spectacular only to government? Government, that's tax. Tax as a source of revenue is spectacular only to government. We have question 29. When the government fixes the price of essential commodities, this is referred to as price control. Government is trying to regulate price in order to protect the consumers from being exploited. We have question 30. One of the functions of price system is that it discourages the consumption of harmful goods. The next question 31. Which of the following is not illustrated by the production possibility curve? Risk is not illustrated by PPC. Production possibility curve illustrates the concept of scarcity. The resources available to a country to produce are limited, while the wants are unlimited. It also illustrates opportunity cost. To increase the production of one commodity, you have to reduce the production of the other. And it also illustrates allocative efficiency. You allocate resources efficiently to be able to produce two commodities. We have question 32. Which of the following statement is true about ECOWAS, that's Economic Community of West African States? It is what is true is to ensure economic stability, to ensure that the economy of all the countries that constitute ECOWAS is stable. We have question 33. The equilibrium price clears the market. It is a price at which excess demand is zero. We have a supply curve and we have demand curve. We have the meeting points of demand and supply. This is the equilibrium price and this is the equilibrium quantity. So at this price, quantity demanded equals to quantity supplied. So quantity supplied is not greater than quantity demanded, and quantity demanded is not greater than quantity supplied. Question 34. The graph below shows we have price increasing and we have quantity supplied. It shows an increase in quantity supplied. As the price increases, the quantity supplied also increases. Question 35. Goods sold in perfectly competitive market, they are generally homogeneous. That is, they are similar in shape, in size, and in color, and in weight as well. Question 36. Cost push inflation occurs when the production cost, that's when the cost of production increases. As the cost of production increases, the producers pass it on to the final consumers by increasing the price of the finished goods. We have question 37. The basic principle of cooperative societies is to protect the interests and pursue the welfare of members. That's the priority is given to the interest and the welfare of members in a cooperative society. Question 38. From the table, we have the average product of the third unit of labor. This is the third unit of labor. And average product is calculated as total product over units of labor. The average product in this case will be 150 divided by 3. 3 in 15 is 5, 3 in 0 is 0. Our answer is 50. The average product is 50. That's option A. To question 39. Which of the following institutions does not operate in the money market? Money deposit banks do not operate in money markets. Option C. We have other products gotten from petroleum include the following except rubber. Rubber is not a byproduct of petroleum. You can get fuel from petroleum, you can get paint, you can get insecticide. Number 41, the formula summation F bracket S minus X bar over N is used to calculate the mean deviation. Option D. We have question 42. Completely competitive market exists when each member is a price taker. Every member of the market, like a perfect market, cannot influence the price. It is the market forces of demand and supply that determine the price in such a market. Let's move to the next question. Given a consumption function C is 10 plus 0.6 y, determine the value of C. If y is 20, C is 10 plus 0.6 times open bracket times 20. C is 10 plus 12. C will give us 22. That's option B. It's even here. You can see the process of solving it. We have question 44. A partnership sourcing for funds to expand its business would approach a money market. You can go to a money market to get loan to fund and further expand the business. We have 45. Opportunity cost helps the government to prepare budgets. Considering the fact that the resources are limited, the government can adopt opportunity cost to prepare the budget to determine the total revenue and expenditure. Question 46. Which of the following is not a source of government revenue? The answer is personal income, disposable income, and transfer earnings. Government can generate revenue through grants. They can get grants and aids from foreigners. They can also borrow from World Bank. They can borrow locally. Taxes, fines, licenses, they can get revenue from that, from interest, dividends, and profits of government enterprises can also be a source of revenue. To question 47, which of these is a type of partnership in business? Limited partnership is a type of partnership in business. Limited liability company is not related to partnership. Private partnership, joint stock partnership, all these three, they are not related to partnership at all. We have question 48. Which of the following is an indirect tax? Indirect tax is a tax that is levied on goods and services. So we have excise duties. Excise duties is levied on locally produced goods. We have question 49. Localization of industry is encouraged because of the high standard of living. high standard of living. When the standard of living is very high, it will be easy to concentrate industries in a particular area. And to the last question, which of the following is correct? Which of these is correct? We have zero-based budgeting does not systematically consider alternatives to current operations. That's option D.